And I would love if we put more of these in the waterways, because it only benefits ourselves and the environment and the ecosystem services they provide. The SEABIN is an innovative technology, quite a simple technology that basically just breaks the surface water tension in order to subtract floating material on the surface. The idea being that everything it falls into the bin, like PET plastic, plastic bottles, plastic rope, whatever it is, and it's on the surface. It also attracts oil sheen and things like that as well, which are padded in there. So what you find is it's a cleanser. It's a filter that basically filters the water, oxygenates it, and removes plastic from it. It's a fantastic tool. I was here in February just doing a walk in the pier on a winter's morning, and I saw plastic in the sea, and I'm a marine biologist by profession, and I look to integrate my work into as much as I can with plastics. And I said, look, I remember the plastic being here, so I said we need to do something about this. So I crowdfunded a bit more. I got some money and finances from my crowdfunding. I spoke to my employers, Mott McDonald, they gave me a few quid. The local community pitched in as well. Harry pitched in as well. He paid for the installation and everything like that as well. They're looking after it, they're maintaining it, they're paying the small running costs, the same as a Christmas tree lights on a Christmas. So they're on board, and it adds to the initiative that Harry has here cleaning up the waterways.
We're constantly on a weekly basis cleaning rubbish from the harbour. We do it manually in a boat. You've probably seen that here today. Our staff members collect up to a ton of rubbish in 2 hours once a week. So we decided that the SEABIN was obviously going to be a help to us. I'm really happy with the way the SEABIN is doing away with a lot of oily residues in the water. I think similar initiatives are required all around the coast, but more importantly, raising awareness to all harbour users. We try and raise awareness to fishermen, pleasure craft, passenger vessel users, anybody that uses the harbour with oily residues and plastics. We just need to make an extra bit of an effort.
If anybody wants to do more of this or wants to get involved with this, just give me a shout. We'll put something together, and I would love if we put more of these in the waterways, because it only benefits ourselves and the environment and the ecosystem services they provide.